Hello everyone, welcome to AppStore Radar. Today I'm going to review this app called Yoga Studio. With more than 30 plus hours of ready-made high-definition video classes for all abilities, Yoga Studio may in fact be the one yoga app that you will ever need. Once you download the app, you will be given a 2-week free trial upon selecting one of the payment plans that they provide. You can of course cancel the subscription anytime before your trial ends. Simply go to your phone's settings and click on your Apple ID. Then find iTunes and App Store and click on your ID once more. Click on the subscriptions and find Yoga Studio and simply cancel your subscription. Inside the app, you can either learn various poses and save your favorites, you can also start your practices with ready-made classes or create your own custom class. Classes are easy to follow with full teacher audio,
steady eyes, steady mind. Listen to the breath.
and you can personalize your practices and set up a schedule using your calendar. I hope you download this app and achieve some relaxation in this very busy world of ours.